it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? We're guys giving you another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Sparta himself, Sparta boss, Tommy Lee. Sparta! I don't have it. Driving Nails, yes, official music video. Let's jump in the one and see where 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 is. Hey, man, let's go, man. Let's go.
𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐼𝐎𝐍 music.
Come find up. Come find this. Find prison.
Driving nails in my coffin, driving nails. $50,000 bill, nothing to my name. The things mom said I shouldn't do, did them anyways. There's W's in any L's, wins in any fails. When they're wishing that on me, God put wind in my sail. Behind any mean lines, Sparta will prevail. I see sunshine, I see rain. But never for 1 second thing, you'll never see me. Thank you for the blessings, resistance and rejection. Every door that closed to point me in the right direction. Pull up, yo, pull up.
What's the music again? Beep.
Driving nails in my coffin, driving nails. $50,000 bill, nothing to my name. The things mom said I shouldn't do, did them anyways. There's W's in any L's, wins in any fails. When they wish
There's double losing. Yo, the man imagine something.
driving nails, $50,000 bill, nothing to my name. The things mom said I
Man say $50,000 bill, nothing to him name. So I tell you, say even though that seems so reachable, him can't reach it because there's nothing to his name. Yo, did you?
$50,000 bill, nothing to my name. The things mom said I shouldn't do, did them anyways. There's double.
The things that I shouldn't do, I did them anyways. Why me do them? Why? Hmm?
The things mom said I shouldn't do, did them anyways. There's W's in any L's, wins in any fails. When they're wishing that on me, God put wind in my sail. Behind any mean.
Whenever I wish death for me, God put wind and the sail. Yo, sail from boat, wind. When time the wind touch it, it go faster. So when them I wish death for me, my author so I glide. I sail. Not my time yet.
Using any L's, wins in any fails. When they're wishing that on me, God put wind in my sail. Behind any mean lines, Sparta will prevail.
You see a prison there now. I have to watch him back, you know. You see that? Yes, behind enemy lines, Sparta will prevail. Yes, I will make it true. Just look how him turn on quick. I remember say a prison there, you can't if you back 2 kills because you don't know who that is, man.
Any fails, when they're wishing that on me, God put wind in my sail. Behind any mean lines, Sparta will prevail. I see sunshine, I see rain. But never for 1 second thing, you'll never see me. Thank you for the blessings, resistance and rejection. Every door that closed to point me in the right direction. When them right.
Can't get past the first verse. Bumbo video well put together, man. G. Mash back with the lyrics, them, bro. Gotta chat some things, bro.
Driving nails in my coffin, driving nails. $50,000 bill, nothing to my name. The things mom said I shouldn't do, did them anyways. There's W's in any L's, wins in any fails. When they're wishing that on me, God put wind in my sail. Behind any mean lines, Sparta will prevail. I see sunshine, I see rain.
So, first verse, I'm going to show you what's in there behind bars, a fight with them demons, them. Not even a fight with them demons, them. Just a got you, remember, got you. Now, a second verse now, we say, our Empress there in our fat whip. See the G, I walk out to the door there too.
There's a trail that the world say my name. Cinnamon face pale and sing amazing grace. Police on my tail, wanna put a man in jail. Wanna waste my days, but the case looking frail.
Yeah, man, the police them there for my case. What them want to do? Put man in jail. Them want to waste my days and put me in jail. But guess what? The case is looking fail. Can't stand up in a court of law. That don't make no sense. Let me go.
Amazing grace, police on my tail, wanna put a man in jail. Wanna waste my days, but the case looking frail. I see fire, see rain, we dare see we are holy faith. Anything them I try is in vain. Show the heartaches and the pain.
Big up the girl in the video. She play her part right. She play her part. Big up herself, mama.
Them I try is in vain. Show the heartaches and the pain. We dare say we would never for 1 second think you'll never see me. Thank you for the blessings, resistance and rejection. Every door that closed to point me in the right direction. When them rise up the web.
Every door closed for me, point me in the right direction. So if me a fall down, so that door they closed, it wasn't meant for me. It's not for me. So guess what? I got take on a different door. So point me in the right direction. Powerful dog, like so much things, so much powerful, but I don't want to keep stopping it, bro. There's so much shit.
Thank you for the blessings, resistance and rejection. Every door that closed to point me in the right direction. When them rise up the weapons that they form against me, they will never prosper because they can't find the blessing. They can't find the blessing. They can't find the blessing.
One goes on the one buckler.
They can't find the blessing. The blessing. Blessing.
Powerful, my G. Buckler. It would be interesting to know. I wish I had a video show though. I think America. I'm a hero on this. Yo. But the mastermind, big up yourself. What's the music?
Music.
Yo, I wish for the video shot, man. Wait, shot. Somewhere Europe though. I'm thinking maybe Germany or Sweden or one of them places there. I don't know. I don't think it's America though. I don't think it's America. But apart from that, yo, what's up? The growth in your music, bro. Like that, like, bro. What can I say? Goes up, big up yourself, my G. Big up your fucking self, dog. Like, crazy talent, bro. Crazy talent, bro. Goes up, can't run out a topic for sing about, dog. And the man sang them just bad, dog. Like, fuck, what can I say? Goes up, blood clot. Sparta people, stand up. Sparta! All right. Oh, no, get it. Sparta! Thank you. Let me read it in that comment section, please. Let me read it in that comment section. Let me know what you guys think about this one, though. I love it. This is going on my playlist. Driving Nails is going on my playlist. I can say that. You know? Yes. Because the people who can relate as well. But, production team, big up on yourself. Edit by Bart, Tim Forrester. Colorist Tim Forrester. Who else? Directed by Bart, the mastermind, big up yourself. Yes, big up the production team, man. I've big them up, man. Anyway, this is my lead on. Still, if you enjoy the one I want to see more, leave a like on the video, subscribe around there if you're new. And if you want more Gozo, click on any one of them two videos if you get some more. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Young King attack again in a J Prince. I'm here represent for one of the roughest and the toughest and the baddest thing. Them will review tune and video. Jamaica worst gamer. Review this for them, no man.